Yo. So apparently Ruben Amorim wanted to sign Nelson Semenyo really bad. But at the very end, Nelson Semenyo, Semenyo, I don't know his first name, I've forgotten it. He has chosen to go to another club, Manchester City. So imekuwa aibu kubwa because the guy was willing to even change the system of Manchester United so that he can come and play for us. Imagine as a man, mmejipanga watu wawili hapo, and then you start telling this girl, oh, pick me because I'm this and that, pick me because that is just a sign of being desperate and you are clueless, you are out of depth. So this girl will be like, I don't want this guy sounds desperate, it sounds like I'm the one who's going to come in and change his life, so I don't want someone like that. So ametubwaga, amechukua Manchester City. Hata angekam, assume angekuwa ametukubali, angecheza wapi? We have plenty of forwards, plus ile nafasi maybe for example angecheza is a wing back, na hiyo kazi jo si rahisi. Hiyo kazi inamaanisha unaenda forward at the same time unarudi backward to defend. Hiyo kazi inahitaji, hiyo kazi ni ya mtu kama the likes of Alphonso Davies, the likes of Nuno Mendes. My friend, that is a lot of work. So I'm pretty sure Semenyo ameenda kiti chini akafikiria mahesabu, hii system ya msee huyu, mazee, na venye sahi Manchester United ukiingia ni kama graveyard. Manze, I'll probably waste a lot of chances. I'll probably not even win trophies. And it's actually embarrassing that kwamba good players nowadays don't want to come to Manchester United. Gone are the days where players used to fight to want to go to Manchester United. To may reduce into just a small mid-table team. Maze, it's so embarrassing. Even though I didn't want Semenyo in our club, because I don't think there's anything he could have done to change us. He was not a game changer for us. Ingekuwa tu sasa hata afadhali kurudisha Rashford compared to Semenyo, because Rashford and Semenyo, they almost play the similar game. Anyway, it's not too late. He needs to go and buy a midfielder. He needs to go and get somebody like Angelo Stiller. He needs to go and get somebody like Baleba, because midfield sahi iko weak and Bruno yuko na injury, and last game umechezesha Lisandro Martinez midfielder, though aliperform vizuri, lakini we still need to go and buy a midfielder. That is number one priority, and then probably a defender. You need at least minimum of two signings, a midfielder and a defender. Yeah, then you can get a player like a player that you want. But for the moment, we can't attract big players. We can't attract players because we don't play Champions League. So imagine a club like Man City, unajua utawin vikombe vingi, na chances are utashine and you'll become a greater player, rather than coming to Manchester United. We don't nurture talent anymore. Ukikuja to this club, just know that there's very little time. We need results quickly. We need high performance. So there's no time to wait until you adapt. There's very little time for that. The fan base are impatient. Yes, very, very impatient. They demand a lot from you, and there's too much pressure to win. There's too much pressure right now, and Ruben Amorim asipochunga ata panic zaidi, na he'll probably end up sacked. So my coach, please change.